Essentially, these 2 days we look at the overall theme of the purpose-driven teacher, and that's again against the backdrop of what it means to be a purpose-driven teacher in a purpose-driven school. We examine our personal values because our personal values are very essential to guide us in how we make life decisions. And if our personal values are aligned to the core values of the school, that alignment will bring about great synergy as well as purposefulness and intentionality in how we do our work. So the 2 days is about that, beginning that process of self-discovery, knowing our purpose, our values, knowing our language of appreciation, and also knowing our personality profile. And when we have this put together in the context of a team, we begin to understand and appreciate the diversity within the team, that we all are made and designed differently, and we have a platform to harness on each other's uniqueness and strengths rather than focusing on the differences. In fact, it is the differences that can bring out the richness of what we can do together as a school. And the hope is that as the team bonds, as one of the team members shared, that bonding takes place, the desires that is transferred to the classroom. As students also experience what their teachers experience, and ultimately, I think the desire is that when teachers and students find acceptance, affection, and affirmation in their lives, they will go on to become change makers.
Also, it was insightful. It was very helpful, and this training is really has given me a good experience, especially on the personality test and the love languages that we applied during our sessions.
Various tests on values, personality tests and all that kind of gives me a better perspective of how my values can be, or some are, aligned with the school's value. And I think that is very important because that is the purpose of why I do what I'm doing as a teacher. And I think first and foremost, as a teacher, if our values are aligned with the organization that we are teaching in, then we have a better sense of purpose towards our students as well. Yeah.
Happy birthday.